always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all.
Hi guys, welcome to look number 4 of Halloween week. It is a Scarecrow look, if you hadn't figured it out already. Yeah, just watch the video, I'll explain later. Look number 4, Scarecrow, Halloween week. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome back to Halloween week. It's me, Danny. Thanks so much for watching this week, guys, and for all the love and support. It's really exciting. It's been really good fun, and I'm really glad that you're all liking that the looks are slightly different. They're not scary at all, so if you are here for a scary Halloween look, I've got a few on past Halloween weeks if you look through the playlist, but this one is all about fun. It's all about getting that last minute invitation and using what you've got in your dressing up box and your makeup bag. So that's basically, I've ordered a few props and wigs and things like that to sort of accessorise and go with it, and it really enhances what you're doing with the makeup, but really not very much expense at all, which is what I wanted this year, as I'm you know, a newly poor student, so as they say. Okay, look number 4, let's get cracking. It's quite an American inspired look, but it's super duper easy, and I know you guys are going to like it, and it's sort of becoming more popular over here in recent years. So it is the Scarecrow inspired look. So I've got sort of a very popular version there, Beautiful Girl, from Pinterest that I've sort of looked at for inspiration, and a few others. Very pretty. Very pretty girls. So basically the foundation for this look is you need to have some face paint or an orange lipstick and your regular makeup. So as you can see, I've done my regular base, so I'm wearing Double Wear foundation in Bone, Stay Don't Stray by Benefit primer on my eyelids. I have got some Huda bronzer, my e.l.f. cream contouring palette just for a little bit of contour. I have got some, does anybody remember this palette from Benefit? I got it when I was working for them. Coralista, a lovely orange blush that I don't get to use very much throughout the year apart from this time of year, so that's really nice to use that. Little bit of Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in bronze, and I've done my brows using Benefit Brow Styler today. I'm still getting the hang of my brows with the new brow styler. I'm not sure, they've come out a bit strange today, but I'm still getting the hang of it. I really like the product though, just needs to takes a little while. I think I still like the Precisely My Brow Pencil for exact definition and making it really sharp and defined, but for everyday use with something a little bit more stronger than Gimme Brow, I really, really like it. So that's basically what I've done. Oh, and I put on a little bit of highlighter from Bobbi, a Golden Glow, which is Sun-Kissed Glow in their highlighting powder. So I've just done my everyday average makeup apart from eyes and things like that. So basically the next stage, if you get a last minute invitation for this look and you want to do this, all you need is an orange lipstick or some orange face paint, which is what I have got here, and that is a Snazzaroo set that I've just recently got. You need a hat, you need a check shirt, and you definitely need a black eyeliner. And the rest of it is an orange smoky eye and basically your own makeup. You can make it as glam or not as you want. There's different takes on it on here. So I'm just going to go with it. So here we go. Look number 4 for Halloween week, Scarecrow. And I'm going to say a pretty scarecrow. Look number 4, here we go. So, there we go. Okay, I have one thing to say about this. I got an F in GCSE art, as you can probably tell now. My art teacher is literally sitting at home right now saying, I knew she couldn't draw. I said she couldn't draw. Why did you become a makeup artist? Yeah, I don't know. Makeup seems to be, general makeup is different. I'm quite good with a makeup brush. A paintbrush, on the other hand, not so good. I can't draw straight. I don't know, maybe it's my eyes. I don't know, maybe I've got new glasses and I'm not wearing them, am I? But I don't know, I'm really bad at drawing. I can't seem to get straight lines, so I do apologise. But do you know what? Maybe this makes it a little bit more realistic for a lot of the people around the world that are making a last minute Halloween costume, because maybe they can't draw straight either. So a little bit wrong is alright, if that makes sense. Anyway, it wasn't too hard to do, and it's not bad for a first attempt, I don't think. So basically, I used the, so I've done my eyes first. So I used the lovely Huda Desert Dusk palette, and I used Blazing, which is lovely orange on the lid, and Blood Moon, that lovely shimmery colour on top, and a little bit of Oud, which is the dark brown, just in the corner. Oh, why didn't I use Blood Moon then? I did use Blood Moon, yeah. Just used the Oud just in the crease. What else have I used? A little bit of Stila Glitter and... Then I used next I used a little bit of Stila Glitter and Glow in my favourite Diamond Dust, just on the inner corner and on the inner corner of the eye. I also took the eyeshadow, the burnt orange colour, underneath the eye. Then I used next I used Rimmel's Soft Kohl Kajal Liner Pencil in Jet Black 061. Just under the eye for a really smudgy, dark, smoky eye. I lined the top and bottom waterline, just to make it more dramatic. On my top eyelid is Stila's Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. Okay, so next I used the Snazaroo face paint and just wet the brush with a little bit of water and created the very obvious theatre type cheeks, and then did sort of like just coloured in the tip of my nose with the orange face paint. And then I have used a black eyeliner, and as you will have seen, tried to use this T-Bear. It's nothing against the product, she stopped making it anyway, but it's nothing against this was the Selfie Flick eyeliner, which I love, but I thought because it was quite a wet, quite a jet black ink liner, that it would be easy to use, but it's not that easy to control. So I've gone back to using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner to use, because it's a pen version, it works better. And I've used that to create the stitching just around the nose, which isn't perfect, so I apologise. And the stitching, so I've just drawn a line here and a line here, and those are the stitches, just in crisscross formation. And the same on my lips. And on my lips as a lipstick, I've used MUA, so Makeup Academy lipstick, and that's a black, so it's Raven. And I've had that for a few years, and it's a lovely... I'm going to have to look at their other lipsticks. It's a lovely creamy consistency. It was beautiful lipstick, but it's black. And then I've just used the Kohl eyeliner just to put a few freckles as well, just to add to it. On my for mascara, I've used my favourite at the moment, Magnum XXX mascara from Stila. And there we go. So let's see what it looks like when I get changed. At the minute, I'm not sure, but do you know what? For a last minute costume on Halloween evening, or for your kids, I think it would work. So again, guys, not claiming to be the world's best makeup artist or drawer, because I can't draw at all. As we've realised today, I can't draw for shit. So apologies that it's not perfect, but it's not bad either. So I'm just going to go pop on a costume, and I'll see you in a minute. So there we go, guys. I've just added a really odd wig, which is the Snow White wig, no less. Bit of a mash-up there. Snow White wig. Added husband's checked shirt, and I'm not sure if this is more of a sombrero. It looked like a cowboy hat when I ordered it, but you know, Scarecrows probably wear all sorts of hats, so I'm going to make it work for me. So yeah, got my hat on as well. And actually, all of that together, I think it works. I mean, I don't want to be stood in a field looking like this, but... And you know what? Because I don't like clowns, this is kind of creeping me out a lot. So I'm going to go and take this off in a minute. And there's something quite cat-like about it, so perhaps next time I'll focus on being a cat, because this has kind of turned into that. So I do apologise. But there it is. Scarecrow. So there you have it, guys. We have created a sort of scarecrow slash Mexican scarecrow. Marks and Spencer Mexican scarecrow drinking tequila with a snow white wig that looks a bit like a cat. And we've discovered, more importantly, that I cannot draw. We must accept this and just move on. Right, look number 4 for Halloween week done. Thank God for that, because that was painful. Nah, it's not too bad. This would work if you've got kids turning up at your door for sweets and you're handing sweets out. I mean, they're going to look at you and think, are you a creepy clown that just didn't have any of the right colours in, you know, your makeup box? Or are you, you know, a pumpkin that's gone wrong? Or are you a weird cat? Yeah, either way, the kids are going to look at you and be like, scary. Yeah, very scary. So... all in all, but do you know what I am loving? The burnt orange eye. I like that. I might keep that. There we go. Look number 4 for Halloween week is done, which means we have got one more look coming hopefully the day after tomorrow. Hopefully this is going to go up tomorrow because I've been at uni all day. I've got to edit now. Fingers crossed. If it doesn't go up, I apologise. Hopefully this will go up tomorrow, and hopefully on Friday, look number 5 will be up, which is your final look. And if you're very lucky for Halloween, I might squeeze in an extra one if the props turn up. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Daniela_Logan_makeup. Hello to my new subscribers. I've got a few more this week. That's really kind. Thanks so much for watching and liking and subscribing. It's amazing. Welcome to the crazy little world of my life. Normally it's just university and makeup, and a couple of times a year I do Christmas and Halloween. So yeah, I give it my best. You know, what can you do? Hope you liked this video, and I will see you soon. Scarecrow. Scarecrow Vogue. See you later, guys. Bye.